Are you worried about storing sensitive data in Salesforce without encryption? Learn to create an encrypted field in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through 15 simple steps from setup to save. Let's start by accessing the right settings. Start by clicking the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access more options. Now, go to Object Manager to manage your objects. Click on the label for the object you want to use, in this case, Account. Then, click on Fields and Relationships. Now, click on New to create a new field. Navigate to Data Type, scroll down, and select Text Encrypted. Click Next to continue. Enter the field label name. We'll use National ID. Then, specify the maximum length for the text field. Choose a mask type for the encrypted field. Finally, pick a mask character to display. Click Next to proceed. Click Next again to confirm your settings. Lastly, click Save to create the field. And that's it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.